Sometimes when it's not enough for you to use standard HubSpot properties like name, email, phone number, contact owner, or any other properties for contacts. The same is for companies, the same is for deals, invoices, or whatever. You can create a custom properties. So if you want to create a custom property for the contacts, you can go to settings. If from the contacts you'll go to the contact settings right away, or you can use objects and choose any object that you want to create a custom property. Click on manage contact properties, and here you see that there are a lot of properties that you can use. Again, you can select an object here. So you see that some groups are already defined. Maybe you're using an integration or something like that, then a separate group can be created, or this group can be created based on type of the contacts, like address, maybe location, maybe some technology that you want to add. Let's say you want to add technologies that some specific contact is using. In this case, you can create a property, then name it, choose a group. You may add some descriptions here, and in the field type, you can choose a field type. Single line text, multi-line text, rich text. Rich text means that it's just maybe a name, some heading or something, phone number, date picker, so if you want to add some dates, a lot of properties, drop down select, calculation properties, scoring properties, but they will be depreciated soon. You can also create a property sync. Let's say in company you have a property that you want this property to sync into the contact one, then you can also use property sync. And file, if you want to provide ability to attach file for forms or other resources, or is even a HubSpot user. In my case, I want to add drop down select property. Let's say you want to use some website technologies. In this case, like Ruby on Rails, maybe WordPress, maybe Drupal, HubSpot, CMS. It's possible also to load options in bulk. If you want to add in bulk options, you can paste your own and copy paste the options here, then they will be added in bulk. Okay, cancel, create. Now you can find the property technologies. This is it. If needed, you can add this property to your views. You can add this property to forms, to each contact. If you want to add it to this view, click on edit columns, find technologies, choose it. You can even move it to the top in the contact view. And now you see here the technologies. You can submit the technologies right from this view, like Ruby on Rails, WordPress, Drupal. Click on save. It's highly customizable, like spreadsheet. You can also add each property to the contact view. If you want to change these properties in bulk, you can choose your contacts. In my case, I've chosen 100 rows to change this some specific value for all the contacts. Select all contacts. You see that you can assign all the contacts. If you want to change the value, click on edit, find the property like technologies, and choose a technology that you want to use. In this case, all our contacts values for this property will be changed. Click on update, and you see that for now all the contacts have Ruby on Rails property. That was my goal, and I hope now you have more understanding how you can use custom properties. If you click on create a contact or create any object, you can add also some properties, including custom properties here when the contact is created manually, or during import, or during integration. So HubSpot is highly customizable, and you can customize it based on your needs.